This video shows how to set up the domestic hot water on the Daikin split unit. So we'll have 4 steps here, 1 to 4, and the first one is we'll enable the hot water. Then we'll set up the domestic hot water type here, and then secondly we'll set up the user preset values, the comfort value and the eco value and the reheat value. And then finally we'll do the user set schedule, so that sets the hot water timer and what temperature it goes to. So the first step here is to enable the hot water in the system, and we need to be in the installer menu, and there's a separate video on how to get in there. So I'm going to press the menu button, press it twice, go down to information. Sorry, I'm going to go down to installer settings because I'm already in installer. So we're on A1 here, and we need to be on, and we need to go to A221, so it's system layout. Press OK, and then to options, press OK. And then we see here DHW operation is set to no at present, which is the standard delivered type. So we press OK there, change the no to a yes using the up or down arrow. Here, and press OK. And then we come out of that. And then come out of that again using the menu button, which is a menu and return button. And then, come out of that, and then we go down here on A2, we go down to the domestic hot water setup. So that's our step 2, domestic hot water type setup I'm going to do here. So it's A4, A4.1. So we need to make the type, if we're going here, reheat and schedule. This one has already been done. So the schedule only, reheat only, and we need reheat and schedule. So press OK. The disinfection will be already set up, possibly for Friday and given. So I think it comes as standard set up to Friday, and I usually set it for Saturday morning at, well, in this instance it's set to start at 2300, which is fine. Nonetheless, target temperature 60, you can leave that, and the duration at 40 minutes can be all left alone. So the only thing so we don't really need to change anything in disinfection. If I press the menu button, I come back, we can leave the maximum set point at 60, SP mode is fixed, all that can remain unchanged. So that's A4, domestic hot water, all okay now. And we need to come out of that, and that will be the end of the domestic hot water setup, and it will ask us to restart. We press the left arrow to go to OK and hit OK, and it will just go into it'll come up with busy there, and will take about a minute or so to restart. There we are, busy. So the system has just restarted and come back to the main screen there. So at this point we've enabled the hot water, so if we press the home button we can now get to the tank side of the house, and if we press the on button we can get up the tank features, and if we did nothing else we would be able to set the hot water manually by using the boost button there. But in this instance I'm just going to leave it off for the moment because we've got some more setup to do. So we're going to press the menu button again, and this time we, instead of going to installer settings, we go to user settings. So the first thing we want to do in the user settings is go down to preset values there, which is 7.4, and we go in there and we go to tank temperature, so we press OK again, and we want to set up these figures. So at the comfort temperature we want to change it so that it's at approximately 58, and we press OK, and we want to make the storage eco temperature at 50, and we press OK there. I've already set this one up, and the reheat value about 43 or 4. Something like that, and press OK. So that's the presets, and then finally we need to set the schedules. So in user settings we go up 1 and we do set schedules. and we go tank temperature and user defined. So in this instance, what we want to do is we want to scroll across. This will be all blank when you come across it first. So we want to make the time midnight and storage comfort. Sorry, so it could be storage stop, storage eco, storage comfort. That's where we want to make it, and we want to do these times. So if you pause the video now, what you want to do is then set up the rest of it. 8 a.m. storage eco, 1600 storage comfort, and so on. Make all those changes, and now what you want to do is you want to press OK, press save schedule, and it'll come up with user defined again, and you press that again. Now it's brought you out of it, so what we do is we go back into it, user defined, and there's Monday. And actually what you'll find is Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are blank. So what you do when it hasn't been set up before. So what you do is you press OK and you go copy day. So I just go to copy day, and it asks us which days do we want to copy. So we just go yes to them all. Up arrows, yes, or yes. Just pause. So make them all yes by pressing that. Yes and left arrow and yes and then OK. So now I've said yes to copy all of that. Press the OK button. That brings me out, and now what I want to do is save the schedule. Save the schedule, user defined one, and I'm going to go back into there just to check what I've done. And it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They're all the same times. And for the hot water, press OK, or the menu button, sorry, and you come out of it all the way out, and that's it. The hot water is all set up, ready to go. Just to press the tank to take you over to the tank side of the house and press the on button. I'm going to turn it off for the moment. That's it.